Today, India is acknowledged for its success in economics, trade, industry, education and science, largely due to liberalization that has resulted into increased integration of India with the global economy. Yet poverty still remains its most serious challenge. Fired by the passion to empower the underprivileged section of the society, Buldana Urban Cooperative Credit Society was founded with a meager capital of $210 and 72 members. Today, the quality and spread of services of Buldana Urban have ensured a global acceptance for the society. The vision of its founder, Mr. Radheshamji Chandak, alias Bhaiji, and his ceaseless efforts have borne fruit.
कुणाला विश्वासही वाटणार नाही सहकारामध्ये असं काही घडू शकते, परंतु श्रद्धेने आणि मनापासून जर एखादं काम केलं तर काय घडू शकते. बुलढाणा अर्बन आज तरी सहकारातलं एक आदर्श उदाहरण आहे.
The multi-state society is today a behemoth with 296 branches, 4,600 employees, 500,000 members and $1 billion business. Ably led by its techno-savvy CMD, Dr. Sukesh G. Zawar, the Buldana Urban has adopted a state-of-the-art technology to offer customer-oriented services like data center, core banking, internet and SMS services, coupled with mobile wallet and mobile banking. This has accorded the society an opportunity to work in association with multinational giants.
And such an amazing success in 25 years of span. Why it has occurred? It has occurred because of two breakout innovations. Now these breakout innovations are, one is 4-pillar system and other is social banking. Now what is 4-pillar system? 4-pillar system is an innovation, is a financial innovation in which the more money is poured into the institution, an institution can go for various projects. And the social banking. The principle behind social banking is people's money should be utilized for well-being of people.
In his constant efforts towards modernization and globalization of the society and the cooperative movement at large, Dr. Sukesh Zawar, the Chief Managing Director of Buldana Urban, has been appointed as a coordinator of ECU for India in 2012. Buldana Urban have played a key role in successful organization of International Cooperative Meet at Shirdi on 6th and 7th July 2012. Moving a step ahead this year, Dr. Sukesh Zawar planned and organized an international conference on cooperatives between 18th to 21st July 2013 at Buldana. Delegates from 11 countries across the Asia-Pacific region had gathered in Buldana for the 6th meeting of the ICA committee. The theme of this meet was Future Challenges for Youth as a strategic group for cooperative development. The highlight of the international convention was the election of Dr. Sukesh Zawar as the president of the ICA Asia-Pacific Youth Committee. In the glorious 100 years history of Indian cooperatives, this is the first time that an Indian citizen has been honored with this prestigious position. Apart from conventional loans like gold and silver mortgage loans, loans for higher education, vehicle and housing, the society also extends unique loan facilities like bicycle loans for students and cooking gas loans for the underprivileged families. The chain of godowns developed by Buldana Urban offers an advantage of scientific warehousing facility as well as timely credit to the farmers. It is therefore a matter of immense pride that National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD, is working in association with Buldana Urban. Recognizing the bank's potential, the International Fund for Agriculture Development, IFAD, has lent its helping hand to the society in adopting several villages benefiting around 250,000 people.
Now village development program includes development of the road infrastructure, educational infrastructure, health infrastructure and as well as creating job and that also promoting the entrepreneurship in the village.
The society's efforts have been appreciated by the World Bank as well. 20 Sahakar Vidya Mandir schools, established in semi-urban and rural areas, have offered an easy access to quality English medium education at an affordable cost to nearly 16,000 students. The Buldana Urban offers free education to children of martyred soldiers and sponsors the wards of those farmers who unfortunately chose death over life. The society has built hostels like Ellora Nivas in Buldana for working women and Ajanta Chhatra Niketan in Pune for the students. Buldana Urban has built the 72 kilometers Malkapur Chikhli Road on build, own, transfer basis. This excellent quality road is the society's small contribution in nation building. Building of guest houses for devotees in Tirupati, Mahur, Shirdi and Omkareshwar has lent a distinct identity to the Buldana Urban. In reverence to the ages-old tradition of worship of cows, the Buldana Urban has built a shelter for their upkeep and protection. Buldana Urban is also setting up Jeevan Sandhya Swargashram, a home care center for senior citizens, and a Ved Pathshala under the guidance of respectable saints. To enhance the exchange of knowledge and experience in the field of cooperatives, the society is establishing an international cooperative training and HRD center at Shirdi. The society owes its success to the continuous support of its members. The residency club set up by the society offers a range of ultra-modern amenities like 28 well-furnished rooms, Wi-Fi connectivity, conference hall, banquet hall and a well-equipped gym, spa and saloon. The revenue thus generated supports a multitude of social schemes. Buldana is lacking in good medical facilities. Hence, critically ill patients have to be shifted to other cities. Keeping this in mind, Buldana Urban has set up a 24-hour ambulance service. The society has also set up a well-equipped and full-featured blood bank. As we know, the biggest problem on the planet is urbanization of the people and urbanization of money. Buldana Urban tries to combat this problem in its own innovative way by undertaking inclusive, sustainable and economically viable development of village areas. Mahatma Gandhi has said that if a village, the basic unit of our society, is self-sufficient, the nation and the economy can progress. Bhaiji also believes that rural population must get the advantages and facilities of modern-day life. His dream is turning to reality in his birthplace, Dongar Khandala. This small village is adopted by the society for wholesome development and inclusive growth. Dr. Sukesh Zawar is executing this project heart and soul. The society has made significant contribution in developing clean and healthy sanitation, properly constructed roads, facility of pure drinking water, village cleanliness drive and garbage management, educating the villagers about personal as well as social hygiene and actively involving them in village development activities. Sahakar Vidya Mandir at Dongar Khandala uses the next generation digital education systems to impart knowledge to the village keen. Taking an innovative step, a small capacity spinning mill converting raw cotton to yarn is also installed in the village. This effort of the society has given local farmers a better price for their produce and assured employment to the local youth. The project for cleaning and grading of agriculture produce, low-cost housing projects, distribution of solar lamps and smokeless chullas, plantation of thousands of trees and their conservation, along with rural water supply scheme, are all examples of the social responsibility being shouldered by Buldana Urban. The society has also set up a drinking water bottling plant at Malkapur. Under venture capital scheme, the society has financed a medicine plant manufacturing drugs for effective cancer treatment so as to lower the cost of these medicines. Agriculture equipments banking is another innovative scheme of the society. Farm equipments are utilized by farmers turn by turn to save huge capital investments. This year, the dam near Buldana turned dry due to severe drought conditions. As a commitment towards the people, the society encouraged the farmers to use the fertile mud and soil, providing necessary excavation facilities free of cost. Various projects for water conservation are also initiated by the society. Therefore, it is no wonder that the Buldana Urban has been honoured with many prestigious awards like Maharashtra Cooperative Agro Innovation Award, Sahakar Seva Shri Award, Samajik Zaniv Puraskar and the prestigious state-level Samaj Bhushan Puraskar. Bhaiji was also awarded with Jeevan Gaurav Puraskar by the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra. The work of the society and the relentless efforts by Dr. Sukesh Zanwar were also acclaimed internationally by the prestigious QMI Award in Philippines last year. In order to realize his mission of taking the cooperative movement to the global level, Dr. Sukesh Zanwar has visited many countries and proved the role of cooperative movement as an engine for holistic development. Buldana Urban Cooperative Credit Society is a class apart on account of its firm belief in socially responsible and responsive banking. The struggle has not daunted the spirit of its founders, for whom these lines of Robert Frost are a motto. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep.